Most traders use multiple indicators to track momentum, volatility, and trend direction. But what if you could have one tool that does it all? That's exactly what the dynamic price oscillator is designed for. All right. So in this video, I'll show you how this powerful indicator works, how to use it, and why it can give you a major edge in the market. All right. Now, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart. The dynamic price oscillator. All right. Dynamic price oscillator. So this indicator, the dynamic price oscillator, or the DPO for short, is an all-in-one indicator that helps traders understand momentum strength, volatility shifts, and trend confirmation in a single glance. All right. Now, with respect to momentum, the indicator detects price acceleration or deceleration. Okay. So you can see that the indicator has quite a unique function. You can see the different styles. See different parameters for the indicator. And then with respect to volatility, it measures how stable or unstable price movements are. And with respect to trend confirmation, it helps filter out false signals and validate market direction. Now let's just quickly break down how this indicator works in real trading conditions. The DPO is different from standard indicators like RSI or MACD. Instead of just showing overbought or oversold conditions, this indicator tracks price momentum in real time. Okay, you can see how the indicator slopes with respect to the prevailing momentum in the market. Here we had a clear sell trend. There was a clear bearish momentum at the time, and you can see how the DPO reacted to that. We had more importantly, this particular line bouncing between this channel. You see this middle line and this red line. You can see how the indicator was bouncing within the channel in a downward slope, showing that there is prevailing bearish momentum, right? And then with respect to volatility, you will notice that when volatility is high, you will see a widening. So that you can see that this indicator, like I said, that it gives you information regarding momentum, volatility, and trend confirmation. So when volatility is high, you can see how the indicator, the extremes are getting wide from each other. In fact, it's forming kind of like an ellipse. Can you see? Getting wide as a result of volatility. Then when volatility is low, can you see? During low period of low volatility, you can see that the indicator lines are closer to each other. Okay, so that is information on volatility, and we've talked about the information on the trend direction, right? Because it filters out false signals and validate market direction. It usually slopes in the direction of the prevailing trend. Okay, it usually slopes in the direction of the prevailing trend, and then showing how strong that trend is. You're going to see sometimes the yellow line, if it climbs to the green and dominates around the green level, it shows that is a very strong move, like what we had happening here. Let's look for a sell example. Okay, let's look for a sell example. All right, you can see what happened here. Although this was just very brief, that was very brief. You can see what happened here, showing strength, right? And then, right, you can see what happened here during this period between this point to this point. You can see what happened here, showing that there was strength in that bearish move. Okay, and then you can even see what happened here again between this point to this point. You can see that how the line dominated within the red zone, showing that there was strong bearish momentum before the momentum started getting weak. As the momentum started getting weak, you can see that the price now went back up, and then it was as if price consolidated briefly around here. In fact, it seems like it was an extensive consolidation, but it was a wide consolidation. Okay, because price went up, came down, went up again, came down, although this time it didn't get to this point, and so on and so forth. So basically, when you're using this indicator, you get information regarding momentum, regarding volatility, regarding trend direction as well. Okay, because the indicator measures how volatile the market is to detect breakouts or traps, and it confirms trend direction so you avoid trading against the market. Okay, so this means fewer false signals and more reliable trade setups. Okay, so basically when the DPO shows strong momentum, volatility might remain stable at the time. And let's say, okay, let's imagine that the DPO is showing strong momentum, and then maybe you have initially a stable volatility and then the trend is bullish, right? It signals potential buying opportunity. Then if maybe momentum starts getting weak and then you notice maybe increase in volatility and the trend structure shifts to the downside, and then you notice that the slope of the DPO is going downwards, it could be a sign that a price drop is incoming. Meanwhile, by following these signals, traders can make smarter trade decisions and avoid weak setups. So if you want to make use of the DPO in your trading strategy, just ensure that you always confirm your market trends before entering the trades. Also, use it with support and resistance for stronger trade setups. All right, ensure that you use the indicator with support and resistance. All right, for stronger trade setups. Combine it with moving averages, to filter out weak trades. And avoid entering when volatility is too high or when momentum is weak. So by applying these rules, you can maximize your trading accuracy and reduce unnecessary losses. If you're looking for a more accurate way to track market conditions, the Dynamic Price Oscillator is worth adding to your trading toolkit. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Have you used the Dynamic Price Oscillator? Let me know in the comments below how it compares to other indicators. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.